this video, we are going to see about the pair of angles and pair of lines. And also, we are going to see about a great woman mathematician, Katherine Johnson, who died recently. First, we are going to see about the pair of angles, adjacent angles. Two angles having common arm and a common vertex, also having uncommon arms, lies on either side of common arm, is called an adjacent angle. So when you see this example, you can clearly understand that is the arm Y is in common and X and Z is both the sides. So XOY and YOZ are the adjacent angles. Next one is an complementary angle. Any two angles whose sum is 90 degrees is called a complementary angle. So there are two angles in this. So when you see this, you can easily understand. So one angle is in 10 degrees and another angle is in 80 degrees. So 80 plus 10 gives the 90 degrees. So this is a complementary angle. So angle AOB and angle XY are the complementary angles. So the next one is an supplementary angle. So here any two angles whose sum should be 180 degree. So the sum should be 180 degree. That angle is called the supplementary angle. So when you see this example, so one is 50 degree, another one is 130 degree. The sum gives 180 degree. So angle AOB and angle POQ are the supplementary angles, which is 180 degree. And the next one is an linear pair of angles. When the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then they are called the linear pair of angles. So here this is also an adjacent angle actually, but here there should be 180 degree. So AOB and BOC gives the 180 degree. Next one is a vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, they form pair of angles opposite to each other. So when two lines intersect, it forms a pair of angle which is exactly opposite to each other. So when you see this example, so two lines are intersecting and there is a two opposite angles, that is AOD and COB. So this is the vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. See about the mathematician Katherine Johnson. Born on 26 August 1918, she is known for calculating trajectories for NASA mission. And she is the first African American woman who worked as a NASA scientist. And her works are calculating trajectories, launch windows, emergency return path for Project Mercury. And her calculations were also essential to the beginning of space shuttle program. And she got so many awards. And she was died on February 24, 2020 at the age of 101. The next one is a pair of lines, intersecting lines. Two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they have a common point is known as point of intersection. So when two lines intersect, there should be a common point. Here AB and CD are intersect, there is a common point at the middle. Next one is a parallel line. Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect each other, even extended in either direction. So when you see an example, you can clearly understand. So the two lines should not intersect, it should go on. So PQ and AB, here the two lines will never intersect, it will go on. So PQ is parallel to AB. Next one is a transversal. Here when the line intersect two or more lines in a plane at distinct point is called a transversal. So here two or more lines will intersect. So when you see this example, so there is a two parallel lines and then one line that is a transversal, that is MO is a transversal here. We are going to see some real life applications actually in art. So first it's about carpenter. So using the angles while making chairs, tables and sofas. The next one is about the painting. So the painter used the angles when they draw some portrait or painting. Next one, the angles in the photography. This is a camera angle. So in photography also they are using angles.